Public speaking can be a daunting task, but with the right techniques and practice, anyone can become a confident and effective speaker. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to master the art of public speaking and deliver powerful presentations that leave a lasting impression. The key to successful public speaking is preparation. Before your presentation, take the time to research your topic and organize your thoughts. Practice your delivery, focusing on your posture, tone, and pacing. When you're in front of an audience, it's important to engage them with eye contact and body language. Use anecdotes and personal stories to make your presentation more relatable and memorable. Visual aids like slides or videos can also be helpful in conveying your message. But be careful not to rely too heavily on them, as they can distract from your delivery and message. Finally, remember to stay confident and authentic throughout your presentation. You're the expert on your topic, and your audience is there to hear what you have to say. With these techniques in practice, you can become a powerful and confident public speaker. So go out there and share your message with the world.